Hello and welcome to this orientation regarding the online course Digital Skills for Teachers. This course is being conducted by Pushpanjali College of Education, Papdi, Vasai. A little bit about our college. Pushpanjali College was established in 1990. It has been accredited A+ grade by NAAC in the third cycle of re-accreditation. The college is permanently affiliated to University of Mumbai. It is recognized by NCTE and has 2F and 12B status of UGC. This course is being organized by Pushpadeep. Pushpadeep is Pushpanjali's Department of Extension Education Programs. Meet your mentors, the driving force, our manager, Sister Sushila De Silva, our principal, Dr. Mabel Pimenta, who is always ready to help us with our new ventures. Your coordinator for this course, Dr. Agnes, or more popularly known as Cynthia De Costa. Our other mentors on this course are our faculty members, Mrs. Angelina Nunes, Dr. Sheetal Chowdhury, Dr. Helen Jadhav, Miss Heather Gabriel, and we will also have Ms. Nikita Ribello and Ms. Ranjita Ribello as mentors on this course. A little bit about this course. We will be using Google Classroom, and this is the classroom that you have already joined. We may have some webinars and we will give you extra information regarding these webinars or online seminars. So we will be giving you extra information as to when we will be conducting these webinars and how to attend these webinars. For you to get your certificate, you have to complete the mandatory assignments. You will be working at your own pace. So there is no fixed time. You could be working any time of the day. You can work as long as you wish. Queries will be resolved only through Google Classroom. So you will be posting your questions under the section queries and we will answer it there. Kindly do not ask your queries on personal chat, WhatsApp or through telephone. This is a humble request. Expected duration of the course, we have started on the 13th of May and I guess by 31st May, all our participants should be completing their assignments. Some of you might complete them earlier, but that is welcome. Now, what will you be learning during this course? Some of you have already taken session 1, making online tests. So, you will be learning to create online tests. You will be learning to create digital worksheets. Then you will be learning to create interactive videos. So, videos with some questions thrown in. Students have to answer those questions and only then they can proceed with the video. You will also create some games for learning. Most of you must be knowing how to create PowerPoint presentations. But we will teach you how you can convert your PowerPoints to videos. You will learn to make digital posters. We will teach you how you can launch an online classroom and also how to create online storybooks. Please remember, all these are absolutely free tools so that no school is burdened with the extra cost of buying any special software. Please note these instructions. Try to spend at least half an hour daily on Google Classroom. Certain activities might take you a little more than half an hour, but I'm sure if you dedicate half an hour to 1 hour a day, you will be able to learn at least one new skill each day. Try to resolve your doubts by first asking your peers. So there are others from your school who are doing this course. You can discuss with them first. Next, you put it up. If your doubt remains unresolved, then you put it up on the Google Classroom. Before you put up your query on the Google Classroom, just see if that query has been asked by somebody else and whether it has been answered. All assignments must be your own work. Do not copy anything from the internet. Kindly avoid all kinds of greetings like good morning, good evening, thank you, etc. on the class. The reason is there will be too many messages and some important ones may be lost. Now this is an important announcement. One representative teacher from each school, kindly contact Dr. Cynthia D'Costa with your name, the name of the representative teacher, the school name, the WhatsApp number of the representative teacher, and just the total number of teachers who have enrolled from your school. Send this to me by mail at c.decosta@rediffmail.com. So now we are ready to explore the Google Classroom and understand the Google setup. For that, I will now take you to our Google Classroom. So far, we have had many Google Classrooms. Just last week, we completed a course for our students and alumni where 120 odd students were members of that group. This is a group, Technology for Teachers, Batch 2, and this is one especially for teachers of schools belonging to the Diocesan Board of Education, Vasai. So let me take you through this classroom. I'm sure this interface is something very familiar to you because you have entered your school through this interface. Now, one request, do not directly post. You will see stream classwork and people on your own Google Classroom page. Do not post under anything under stream. Stream is for us mentors. If you keep posting under stream, then the announcements that we post might be lost. So, kind request, you should not post anything directly under stream. This is just for your mentors. Let us come now to classwork. And as you can see, everything in classwork will always be under different topics. So, basics is one of our topics where important announcements are put. And I can see that 139 of you so far have introduced yourselves. It's very nice to see all of you introducing yourselves, and it's nice to note that you come from different schools. I'm sure our presence here will be enriching all of us. Your queries you will only post here. Your general queries you will post here, and once a day or maybe a little more often, we will look at your queries and we will answer them. Then you will have sessions of this kind. So under these sessions, for example, this is session 1, online test, and a number of you have already undertaken this session. So you will get some kind of material, and at the end you will get some assignment. So I'm putting, the assignment will normally come at the end. So you will be getting material and you will be getting an assignment. In this material, we will be posting certain videos or certain presentations that will help you to complete your task. And then you will have an assignment. So when you go to assignment, you will see the assignment written there, and you can see that some of our participants have already undertaken the first assignment of creating an online test, and they have posted their links. That's wonderful, and we expect such kind of enthusiastic work from you even in future. I will just show you another class where there are more sessions. So right now we have only put session 1, but we will be having many more sessions. I'll just take you in a couple of minutes to our earlier course, which was specially conducted for the students of Pushpanjali and the alumni of Pushpanjali. And you can see there that we have had about 7 sessions. So our students went through, you will also be going through these online tests, concept maps, digital worksheets, creative writing, creating infographics or digital posters, and so on. And a lot of other sites, etc. will be provided to you, so that we hope and and we are sure that at the end of this course, you will be equipped with many skills. Talking about the final assignment. The final assignment will be posted after a few days, where you will have a reflective sheet to be handed over. We will be posting a reflective sheet. Now, what is a reflective sheet? Every time you do an assignment or you learn a skill, you will be making some notes in your reflective skill, and at the end of the course, you will be submitting your reflective sheet under assignment. So we will be creating all these areas or all these different topics for you in the course of time, and we are sure you're going to have a very lovely time, interesting time, learning by exploring, then learning from one another and learning from your mentors. Your mentors too are sure that they will be learning from you. So this is your course coordinator, Dr. Cynthia DeCosta, signing off for now. Stay safe, stay blessed, and keep learning.